Well, it's just really drifting.
Okay, if I show this.
Yeah. I'll go this way. Poor dogs. You don't know where to go, do ya? You don't know where to go. Are you going to eat it all, Sandy? What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Kind of buried out there. Look out. There it is. Plowed into our front door. Got buried into the front door, didn't we, girls? Look at all the drifts, huh? Not fun.